Hello future UPSC warriors. Welcome back to my channel dedicated to your journey towards mastering the UPSC exams. Today I want to ignite the fire within you and remind you why you embarked on this challenging but rewarding path. So grab your notebooks, take a deep breath and let's dive into some powerful motivation. The first step is the purpose of your journey. Remember why you started. The UPSC exams are not just a test of knowledge, they are a test of your determination and your vision for a brighter future. You are not here by accident. You are here because you have a dream of making a real impact on society. The second step is accept challenges. Accept challenges because they are stepping stones to success. Every long study session, every difficult subject, and every setback is molding you into a stronger, wiser, and more capable of individual. Don't be afraid to face difficulties head on. They are your greatest teachers. The third step is consistency is key. Consistency is your secret weapon. The UPSC exam is a marathon, not a sprint. Make a study schedule and stick to it religiously. Small, consistent efforts over time add up to monumental achievements. Don't underestimate the power of daily progress. The fourth step is self-belief. Believe in yourself. Even when no one else does, confidence is your ally on this journey. You are capable of greatness, and the only limits that exist are the ones you place on yourself. Visualize your success and let that vision drive you forward. The fifth step is stay inspired. Stay inspired by learning from the greats. Read about the lives and struggles of those who have achieved what you aspire to. Their stories will remind you that success often comes after overcoming a tremendous adversity. The sixth step is overcoming burnout. Recognize the signs of burnout and don't be afraid to take a break when you need it. Your mental and physical well-being are essential. Sometimes stepping back and recharging will help you come back stronger. The seventh step is support system. Build a support system. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals who share your goals. Join study groups, connect with the mentors and seek guidance when needed. You are not alone on this journey. So, eighth step is never give up. Remember, success is not guaranteed overnight. You may face failures and setbacks, but they are not the end of your journey. The difference between those who succeed and those who don't is often the refusal to give up. Keep going. So, my fellow UPSC aspirants, as you go back to your books, know that you are not just preparing for an exam, you are preparing for a future where you can make a real difference in the world. Stay motivated, stay focused and never lose sight of your dreams. Together we will conquer the UPSC exam and create a brighter tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching this video. Be happy, be productive and take care.